Hey, welcome to this course and set of tutorials. So in this course, what we're going to be doing is basically introducing you to the fundamentals of material creation inside of 3ds Max. Now this is taken from a sort of a complete beginner's view. So it's not necessarily, it doesn't really cover sort of more advanced topics related to materials. It's more to do with sort of like node setup, applying materials, understanding sort of the material slots. There is elements of rendering inside of the video tutorials. However, it's kept to a minimal. The rendering content is there just to enhance and contextualize the material or the aims in setting up materials and to help with the visualization of it. But the essence of the course is really to discuss the techniques of generating materials, giving you that knowledge and understanding of how to apply them to models, to generate things, as you can see here on my screen. Materials such as this, which can be used for animation, or it could be baked out and popped into a game. So if this is something that's interested in you, welcome to the course, and I hope you enjoy it.